If you're creative, if you're open-minded, if you're strategic, then this is the place for you. When I went to the recruiting station, they were giving me a bunch of jobs, and a lot of them were kind of mechanics jobs, and I wasn't too fond of those, and they came across the 91 Echo, and they kind of showed me the videos. They showed me what it was all about, which is welding and machining, which now we do 3D printing. And I thought that was super interesting, and that was something that could get my mind going. They'll definitely bring in some parts that we need to make that are kind of awkward, and you kind of have to sit there and just bang your mind at it and be like, how can I get this part onto the program and actually get it to print or us manufacture it well? And the problem solving is probably the best part. Before the Innovation Lab came, we were just regular 91 Echoes working at the company, kind of just doing whatever they needed us to do at the time, but now we're a part of something way bigger than ourselves here at the Innovation Lab, and we get to support the entire Fort Bliss. And we come out with ideas and projects and things that just make things a lot faster and a lot more efficient than anybody else can. And that's it's the most amazing feeling in the world. I never really thought growing up that I'd be a part of something so big and so important, but I mean, I found my place here in it, and it's great. I'm Specialist Jeremiah Rosario, and I'll see you at GoArmy.com.